Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf Nancy. So today we're going to start our Daniel fast. So I'm going to show y'all, I'm going to try to show you breakfast, lunch, and dinner as much as I possibly can and everything. Some days I might miss some, but you will get the part of what I'm doing. You know, trying to clean my system, see if I can get my arm healed up and everything, and we'll have fun along with it. So I look forward to seeing you. I don't want Nancy cooking dairy free and off of golf, Nancy. So I'm like kind of restarting the Daniel fast, but I do have a video about the first day. Now this is actually technically my first day again, but I'm gonna reheat my soup mix. So we're gonna put this in the pan. We're going to turn that on. So I'm going to make it more of a soup. Anything. This has got the couscous and the rice and the corn and the spinach. So I made it, a lot so I can have it multiple days. And we are going to add to this. I'm going to cut up some celery. I'm going to add some celery to it. I got some corn left over. I'm just going to add the rest of it to it. And then we got the beets. So we're going to just add a few more stuff to this. I don't know if I add the beets into it. I could make it a cool pretty purple color. Okay, so we got that. We're going to add the rest of the corn. Because I didn't use it for anything else. And we're going to have this heat up. Alright. So after it gets heated back up and let it cook a little bit more, because we put the celery in there, I have to add some more water. So I'll bring y'all over here to show y'all what it looks like. So I'll probably need some more water. So let's get some more water. Alright, there we go. Just keep stirring this around. And I put thyme and basil, so you can add different seasonings. And I'll probably add a little bit more of that in there. And then I had salt the other day and I added too much salt. I was like, oh, this doesn't taste, it was so salty. I was like, no, why did I do that? So we are going to let this come up to a boil. Okay, so I'm gonna let this boil for like, turn it down. Now it's boiling. I'll let this cook for like 10 minutes or so, and then I'll bring you back and show you what the celery looks like. Okay, so it all kind of like all soaked up the water. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So this is my bowl from earlier. It just had oatmeal, but see, it got thick again. So we're going to just put this in the bowl. That's one thing about couscous, you know, and rice. It will soak up more water. Alright. Now normally, you know, I'll be putting all kinds of add-ons and cheese, and even though we are dairy free, I have the dairy free cheese. I'm not going to use any tonight, but you know, the cheese and French's fried onions and all that good stuff. But I am going to add some sesame seeds to this. So go a good decent amount in there, and then mix it all up. You could probably add some flaxseed if you want to. I wouldn't add cinnamon, but I am going to add some of my beets to it, just to have some more vegetables. And I could put these in here when I was cooking and had it hot instead of cold. I'm quite sure that this will heat right on up. And there we go. Add one more. And then it's taste test time. Here we go. So good. With the sesame, everything, and then the beets so cold, but here, and we got some celery on there. That was hot. Of course it's hot. So there we go. Technically day 2, but technically day 1 because yesterday we had chicken pan, so I ate that last night, and I shouldn't have, but that was a good test. So definitely day 1 of the Daniel fast, and usually Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday I can do good. It's that one day in between, but this time I'm no, I'm not having chicken or anything, just do the vegetables. So onward and forward. Thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all, and we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf with Nancy.